Hi students, welcome back to today's class. Now we are going to see the another topic in under strings chapter. So strings operations. What are the operations we can perform on strings? First one is using operator plus, that is concatenation. We can combine the two strings. Okay, we can combine two or more strings using plus operator. So description, the plus operator joins the text on both the sides of the operator. It is going to join the text on both the sides of the operator. So for that plus is used. Okay, so same plus cannot be used on number and adding the string. Okay, so we cannot use adding two numbers. We can add it, two strings we can add, we can combine or we can concatenate, and one number and one string we cannot add it. Okay, so plus cannot be work on number and string. Okay, so here for example, save is one word plus earth is another string. Okay, so the two strings are now joined using the plus operator. So the output, if you are getting now, it will be like this. Okay, so within single quote, save earth will get displayed. So if you want to provide space between save and earth, after save, no, you need to leave one space and then close the quotes. Okay, after save, that is letter E afterwards, you just give one single space and then close the quotes, and then you just use the plus symbol. To give the white space between the two words, insert a space before the closing single quote of the first letter. So first letter before that, closing quotes before, no, we need to give white space. And then next operator is repetition or star asterisk operator. So this star operator repeats the string on the left hand side times. Repeat the string on the left hand side times. So left hand side, how many times we have mentioned, how many that number mentioned, no? So that many times it will be repeat the string, the value on the right hand side. So whatever value we have given within single quotes on the right hand side of that star, that value is going to be repeated for how many number of times? For the left hand side times it will be repeated. So just you see here, if you look at here, it will be working on the star can be worked on numbers. We can multiply numbers. If you are using star and the two numbers, it will perform multiplication operation. But if you use that number and with star with one string, no, so number and string also it will be working, but both strings you cannot give in the star operator. Okay, in plus, number and string cannot be repeated. So if you are using this format with plus operator, this cannot be done. Okay, so this will be producing error in the concatenation operator, that is plus operator. But the same thing, that is 3 star save earth within single quotes, no, it will be repeating that string 3 times here. Okay, and the next operator is membership operator. Whether the given string is part of the string what you have given is the part of the original string or not, it will be checking. Okay, so if it is available, then it will be saying that it is true. Okay, so in operator and not in operator, these are the two membership operators we have here in the Python. So in membership operator, the operator displays 1 if the string contains the given character or the sequence of characters. So if whatever character you are giving or sequence of characters giving, if it is available in the given string, then it will be saying true or 1. Okay, true means 1 only, no, so boolean value true means it is 1, boolean value false means it is 0. Okay, so a is equal to, within single quotes you are giving save space earth. So now I am checking within single quotes yes in a. So in is used here in between the that is the string variable. In the string variable, whether yes is available or not, it is checking. Yes, it is available, so it is returning true. And then next we are checking the string save is in a or not, whether the save is available in a or not. It is available, so it is returning true. Then next word we are checking, that is next string within single quotes se, whether it is in a or not, we are checking. It is not there in se continuously consecutive characters like se, it is not available, so it is returning false or 0. And next is not in. Not in is opposite to in. Okay, so the operator displays 1 if the string does not contain the given character or the sequence of characters. So working of this operator is the reverse of in operator discussed above. So se not in save earth, it is returning true, but save not in save earth, it is returning false. So not in operator you are using, that is left side and right side both you need to give the, see, if you are giving a variable name, you can give like this, but if you are giving the entire string, okay, you need to give within single quotes. Okay, you can see the difference between these two. Here the variable and the variable what it is holding the string, no, the string where it is held, no, that variable is given here. But here we didn't give the variable. Here we have given the entire string itself. Okay, so we have used not in operator. It is checking. If it is not available, it will be returning true or it is displaying 1. Next, range. Range is a function. It is having 3 arguments inside, that is start, stop and step. So here which is compulsorily we need to give is stop value. This already we have discussed in the previous chapters. Okay, and slice of n colon m. Okay, slice this slice is used for extracting the substring from the given string. Okay, so slice n colon m operator, this extracts subparts from the strings. So for example, a is equal to save earth, within single quotes we have given. For if you are giving like this slice name, so a of a square bracket inside, n is a starting letters index, that is subscript, and 3 is a second that is second index we are giving. Okay, so first index and second index. So first index will be indicating the beginning of the string. Okay, beginning of the subpart and ending of the subpart. So it will not go up to 3, it will be going up to second value. Okay, so 1 2 alone it will be indicating. So 1 2 means what? 0 1 2. So a and b alone will get printed. The print statement prints the substring starting from subscript 1 and ending at subscript 3, but not including subscript 3. Okay, it will not include subscript 3, like stop value how we are giving in range, no, stop how it is taken by range function. In the same manner m also will be taken. It is like a stop value, that is stop place. So if you give m as 3 means it will go up to second string, second index value, and then up to second index it will return the answer. Next is more on string slicing. Okay, so just we have given the string in a variable, that is save earth. In between we have one space also. Space also is going to be taken as space. For space also one index is allotted. So totally how many letters are there including white space? 10. Okay, so what is the length of the save earth? 10. Okay, so let's understand slicing in strings with the help of the few examples, including positive index and negative index also. Slicing we can do it here. So first example, a is assigned with save earth. Print a of 1 comma 3. So 1 colon 3, not comma 3, 1 colon 3 if you are giving within square bracket, so it will be printing only a and b alone. It will not go up to third index. Okay, so 3 minus 1, so it will be stopping up to 2 only. So 1 and 2 will get printed, that is a and b will get printed. The print statement prints a substring starting from subscript 1, that is index 1, and ending at subscript 3. So it won't include this subscript 3. And next is print of a inside the square bracket, starting index or subscript is 3. We are omitting the second index. So first index we have given, second index value is omitted. So it will be going, it directs C. That is, this statement will direct or will give the control command to the Python interpreter in order to extract the substring till the end of the string. So what the Python interpreter will do, it will be subtracting from the third string, third character, so third character E, and from to up to end of the string. Okay, if you are not giving the second index value, if you are omitting or if you are not including the second index value here in this square bracket, so it will take up to the end of the string. So from third place onwards it will start and it will go up to end of the string. So E after space earth will get displayed. See here, like this you will get the string. Okay, and first index is omitted here, and second index, that is stopping place we have given. So up to third, that is second, it will go. Okay, it will start from 0th place. So yes, a v alone will get printed, if not print the third subscript value or third index value. So omitting the first index directs the Python interpreter to extract the substring from the before the second index and starting from the beginning. So before the second index, that is from before the subscript 3, what is that value? 2. Index value is 2. So before that subscript 3, subscript is 2. So up to 2 it will get printed. Okay, from the beginning. And next example, if you are omitting both the indexes, what will happen? The entire string will get printed. Defaultly it will take 0th index as a 0th subscript as the starting first index, and last index will be considered as the second index. Okay, so omitting both the indices directs the Python interpreter to extract the entire string, that is whole string, starting from 0 till the last index. Okay, so entire string is getting printed now if you are not giving this first index and second index value, but you need to give colon here. Without colon it won't give entire string. Okay, and next is using negative indices. So negative indices, it will be starting from that is earth, no, h will be starting from letter number index value -1, and left side we will have up to -10. Okay, so left side we have up to -10 and right side will be having -1. So total length of the string is 10. Okay, and if you are giving like this -2 and colon, second index is omitted and first index is -2. So it will be starting from -2, that is from right side, and last value we didn't give, so that it will be going to right side only. So -2 to end of the string, that is T and H alone will get printed. Okay, second index always pointing to the last, okay, last value only. So for negative indices, the Python interpreter counts from the right side, also shown above. Okay, so -1 and -2 will be included, so that th alone, last two letters alone printed here. And if you are omitting first one, that is 0th index, okay, and colon -2, so up to -2 it will be going, and from starting value, so 0 to this -2, that means up to your EAR. -2 means -3 up to it will go. So save space EAR alone will get printed. Okay, see here, save EAR. So -2 it will not be included. Before that -3 will be there. See here, -3 alone will be there before that -2, so that it will be printing save EAR as the output. Okay, if you are omitting the first index, omitting the first index directs the Python interpreter to start extracting the substring from the beginning. Since the negative index indicates the slicing from the end of the string, so the entire string except the last two letters are printed here. So note, comparing the strings using relational operators has already been discussed in the previous chapter. So comparison of strings, we are no need to done here. Okay, so it was discussed in the previous chapter itself under operators topics. Okay, next is string methods. Some of the string functions or string methods and built-in functions we will see here. Okay, so len is the built-in function. Other than that len function, all the other functions are going to be used along with the string module. So you need to import the string module. Along with string module, you need to give this capitalize all those functions. Okay, so len. So first function is first string function len. For what purpose we will use len here is it returns the length of the string. For example, if you are assigning a variable a with a string value, that is save here, print len of a if you give. So len inside, parenthesis inside that variable we are passing. So the variable is now pointing to the string. So what is the length of the string? So totally, if you count the number of subscripts or indices, no, it will be going from starting from 0 to 9. So totally how many numbers are there? 0 to 9, 10. Okay, so 10 is the length of the a. Okay, so because a is assigned with the string including white space, it will be counting here, so that we should not count only alphabets alone. Okay, we should include the white spaces also. So yes, a v 4 and this space is 5, and earth fully will have 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. And next is capitalize function. It returns the exact copy of the string with the first letter in uppercase. So exact copy of the same string will get printed, and along with that, the first letter alone will be capitalized here. Okay. So for example, str is, if it is assigned with welcome string. Okay. If you are printing str dot capitalize, str dot string dot capitalize. So that word is taken now, that string is taken now in this str dot capitalize function. It will be capitalizing the first letter alone. And next is find sub start end. So this function is used to search the first occurrence of the substring in the given string. Okay, so if you are giving substring here, this will be indicating the first argument is indicating substring, and starting index and ending index value we are mentioning as the second and third argument or parameter. So what will happen? It will be used to search the first occurrence where it is occurring, that index value will get returned. Okay, first occurrence means where it is occurring first time. For example, letter E, if you are giving in the savior, so letter E is occurring at which index first? S, A, V, E. S is indicating 0th index. Like that, if you go, third index that E is available, first occurrence. Second E is available in earth, that is available at sixth index. But E, that is save, that letter, that word end, we have letter E. So if you are giving substring as E and starting and ending value if you are not mentioning, then defaultly it will be finding and it will be returning the answer. That is from the entire string it will be searching. If you are not mentioning start and end, for the whole string it will be checking from the beginning. Okay, so it is used to search the first occurrence of the substring in the given string. It returns the index at which the substring starts. So at which position that substring is starting, that index value is going to be returned by this find. For example, in save earth, AVE alone if you are giving. Okay, so A where it is started, it is there in earth also. Earth also, that second letter is A only, but we are giving AVE, that string. Okay, so in that string where it is starting, in which place or index it is starting, that index value is going to be returned. So 0 is S is indicating 0 and A is indicating 1. So 1 will be the index of AVE string. So if you give string in the place of substring also, that is substring if you are giving in the place of substring, or even single character if you are passing, that first occurrence index will be returned here as the answer. It returns -1 if the substring does not occur in the string. Okay. If it is not occurring in the string, it will be returning -1. Here does occur, not does not occur. Okay, it returns -1 if the substring does not occur in the string. Okay, so for example, str is equal to mammals. Str dot find of MA. So MA here it is appearing first time and here it is appearing a second time. So that MA where it is occurring in the first position, that is 0th index it is started. Okay, the MA is started at the 0th index. The entire string is available in 0 and 1. So but what is the first letter of first letter's index? 0. So the 0 will get printed here. On omitting the start parameters, okay, the function start search from the beginning. So here we didn't include start and end value, so that it will be starting from the beginning location itself. And str.find of ma comma 2, that means 0 1 2. So from this MALS, in this that is in this part alone we need to check that MA where it is occurring. So MA here it is occurring at where 0 1 2 3 3 it is occurring, so it is returning 3 here. Okay, so that starting value you mentioned here as 2. So in this, from this 2 if you are considering, so MALS, in this MA is occurring at which location? From 0 1 2 3 to third index it is occurring. Okay, and next one, str dot find of MA comma 2 comma 4, that means start end both we have mentioned. So starting is 2 and ending is 2, sorry, 0 1 2 3 4. So it won't include fourth, it will be counting up to 3 only. Okay, so that MA will not be there in 2 and 3. Okay, so that it is returning -1. Displays -1 because the substring could not be found between index 2 and 4 -1. So it won't include 4, it will be counting up to 4 -1 only, that is third. Okay, next is 2 comma 5, if you include it will be returning the correct value, that is 3. Okay, correct index. Next is all num. Is all num. It returns true if the string contains only letters and digit. Okay, it returns false if the string contains any special characters like underscore, at, hash, star, etc. Okay, so if the string is having special characters like underscore, at, hash and star, it will be returning false. If the string is having only letters and digit, it will be returning true. So for example, save earth we have given is all num. So spaces are there here. So it is not considered, it is not going to be considered as letters and digits, so that it is returning false. The function returns false as space is an alphanumeric character. It's not an alphanumeric character. See, space is not an alphanumeric character, so that it is not an alphanumeric character, so that it is returning false here. So say one earth if you are giving, it is returning true. Say one earth dot. That string, entire string we can give within single quotes, or else the variable we can pass like this, or else the entire string itself you can pass here within single quotes. Dot is all num if you are giving, okay, if you are adding the after dot operator, then it will be returning true, okay, because we don't have space here. Space is not there in the alphanumeric, but here instead of space we have given 1, so that it is returning true as answer. So some spelling mistakes are there, just you need to correct it. Here it does not occur, here does not occur, and here also the function returns false as space is not an alphanumeric character. White space is not an alphanumeric character. In this place also we need to do correction. And then is alpha. Alpha, it returns true if the string contains only letters, otherwise it returns false. So click 1, 2, 3 within single quotes whether it is true, because it is not satisfying the condition that is contains only letters. So it is having numbers also, so it is false. So here only letters, so it is returning true. And next is digit, it returns true if the string contains only the numbers, otherwise it returns false. So only numbers if you have, it will be so for str, what is the latest value we have assigned? If it is only numbers, it will be returning true. So here only numbers, not say word having letters only, so that false it is displaying. Then lower, so lowercase it is converted. So str having save earth in the capital, so everything is going to be converted to lower. It returns exact copy of the string with all the letters in lowercase. Is lower means it will be checking whether it is lower or not, so it will be returning true or false only as answer. Okay, you are asking question like is lower, so if it is asked like this, then you need to say yes or no, like true or false. Returns true if the string is in lowercase. So is it lower? True, because now only we have converted the str to smaller case, so that lower case, so that it is returning true. You need to check here one thing, that is true and false when you are getting, no, the t will be always capital only, t and f in boolean data type. Always the answer will be either yes or no, like true or false. The true in true t and in false f, it should be capital. And is upper, it returns true if the string is in uppercase. It is not in uppercase because it was converted here as lowercase. And upper means everything will be converted to upper. So str dot upper. So now str is having welcome, so that welcome is entirely changed to capital letter. Okay, returns the exact copy of the string with all letters in uppercase. And then L strip. Okay, so L strip, that is returns the string after removing the spaces on the left of the string. L strip, left of the string. L means left of the string, it will remove the white spaces. Okay, so print str. Str is returning the save earth. Str dot L strip function we have called. So only without space, within single quotes, that string is going to be printed here after applying this function. Okay, now this str is going to assign with teach India movement with that string. Okay, now str dot L strip of t. So that means t is going to be removed, remaining is going to be printed here. And te is going to be removed and remaining is going to be printed here. So it will remove whatever we have mentioned. No, if you are not mentioning anything inside this L strip, it will simply remove the white spaces from the left side of the given string alone. Okay, if you are mentioning some letters, that letters will be removed and the remaining will get printed. If a string is passed as argument, that is if a string is passed as argument to the lstrip function, it removes those characters from the left of the string. So from the left side, which and all is there, that will be removed. Okay, and R strip, it returns a string after removing the space on the right of the string. So right of the string, whatever spaces if it is available, that is going to be removed here. It is opposite to L strip. Okay, and then next is E space, whether it is having white space or not will be checked. Returns true if the string contains only white spaces, and false if it contains even one character also. See here, white space. Okay, we have given one space within single quotes. Str dot E space, yes, it is returning true. Str is equal to P. Is it having space? No, it is returning false. Next is title. Title means every word should be having capital letter. Okay, every word's beginning letter should be capital. Returns true if the string is title cased, otherwise it returns false. Title case means every word's first letter, no, it should be in capital, so that it will return true. If it is like this, no, only first letter alone capital, remaining all in small means, remaining all words first letter all small means it will be returning false. The string should be having title case. Okay, string is title case, then only it will be returning true. Next is replace old comma new. That is old string, substring you need to give, and in that substring space you can provide a new substring in order to replace in the old place. Okay, so for that there is replace function is going to be used. The function replaces all the occurrences of the old string with a new string. For example, in hello, instead of that letter L, we are going to pass another string, that is percentage. So wherever that L is appearing, that the percentage is going to be replaced in L's place. Like that, it is replacing the occurrence wherever the letter is available or string is available, that is going to be replaced by the given new string. If you are giving double percentage symbol within single quotes, then the L is going to be replaced by single L is going to be replaced by double percentage symbol, so that we will get 4 percentage symbol here. Understood? And next is join. So join, it returns a string in which the string elements have been joined by a separator. So you need to give one separator string here, one entire string you need to get from the another variable. So in another variable, that is str1, we are getting 3 tuple values. Okay, so Jan, February, March. Okay, like that 3 strings we have passed here inside this tuple. Okay, and if the value is enclosed within parentheses, that is going to be tuple values only. And then we are going to use a string separator element, that is ampersand symbol we are using. So within single quotes or double quotes, you can give this ampersand symbol. Str dot, that is ampersand dot. Okay, instead of str you can give like this also. Which operator you want to join, no, along with this Jan, February and March. So if you are going to provide that operator ampersand within single quotes ampersand dot join of str1, the string in which you are going to append or add that symbol, okay, that you are going to give here in this before this join, okay, before this dot. Okay, and output will be like this. So Jan and Feb and March, everything is enclosed in as a single string. Okay, this is the purpose of this join function. Next is swap case. So wherever letters, capital letters are there in the given string, that is replaced as, that is changed as small, and small will be changed as capital. So returns the string with the case changes. So str is equal to appa. If you are giving print str dot swap case, swap case, it is automatically, it will be doing changing all the uppercases to lowercase, lowercases to uppercase. Here everything is given in uppercase, so that it is now it is changed to lowercase. If you give in lowercase, everything now will be changed to uppercase. Okay, and next is partition. Partition, that is separator. This function partitions the string at the first occurrence. Okay, at the first occurrence, that is rev, where it is occurring, in that location it will be partitioning the string. Okay, so the green will be one part and rev will be another part, and then olution will be another part. Okay, so for that this partition function we can use, and inside the parentheses we need to pass the separator string. Okay, so where the function partitions the string at the first occurrence of the separator and returns the strings partition in 3 parts. That is before, that is first part, that is before the separator. Before the separator, what is available, that is going to be treated as one part, and the separator itself. So how 3 parts are obtained in this partition function, that is before the separator, and then the separator itself, and the part of, and the part after the separator. So here separator is what, rev. So rev before, what is available, the green. So the green fully will be enclosed as a single string, and rev will be second string, that is a separator itself. So before the separator and separator itself, and then after the separator. So after the separator, what word is available, what sequence of characters are available, OLUTION. So this will be treated as another string. So totally 3 parts, like that we will get the output when we are using this partition function. That is before the separator itself, and after the separator. Like that 3 parts are going to be divided. If the separator is not found, it will be returning the string itself followed by 2 empty strings. So whatever string we are mentioning here that is not available in the given string means what will happen? The entire string will be returned as a single string and followed by two empty strings. See here, here we have passed PE. So this PE is not available in this green revolution. Only RE is available. So that what it is returning? It is returning the entire string that is green revolution, comma, followed by two empty strings. That is double quotes inside this comma alone we have given. Okay. So like that, it is printing two empty strings after this green revolution. Two commas are given after this green revolution. Okay. That is single quotes, two single quotes, and here also two single quotes, two commas are separated here. Okay, so that three parts are there. The first part entire string, second part is empty, third part also empty. Okay, so here also it will be returning three parts only. So that first part will be having entire string, second part and third part will be like empty. Understood? Next, str partition of E. So where this first E is occurring, before that that will be treated as first part. So the, see here in D only it is occurring, not in green. THE itself we have first E. So first occurrence where it is occurring, that separator in THE alone. So this E will be treated as one separator, that is one part, that is middle part, and first part will be TH and remaining fully will be like a third part. Okay, and next is split. The split function splits a string into substrings using this separator. The second argument is optional, that is this is separator we are giving here. Where that separator is available, with that the string before that separator will be one part and after the separator will be another part. And max split, that is maximum number of split we need to give, so that can be optional. The second argument is optional and its value, default value is 0. Okay, if an integer value n is given for the second argument, the string split in n plus 1 strings. Okay, so the string is going to be splitted into n plus 1 strings. Like if you are giving 3, so it will be going to be divided as a splitted as a 4 strings. Okay, so now you are giving str is assigned with one string, entire string with the some symbols, with some separator symbols. So that separator symbol is dollar here. So you are going to split dollar comma 3. That means it is giving invalid syntax. So that y means the dollar should be in single quote. That is also one string value only. So that it should be enclosed in single quotes. So single quotes if you are giving, comma 3 if you are giving maximum split. So 4 split will be done. The D will be one part, earth will be another part, east will be another part. Okay, 0, 1, 2, up to 2 it will be going. So remaining fully will be what? Up to what, from what onwards it will be displaying the same string. Okay, so only like a 3 part it is dividing, only 3 parts it is dividing. So 3 places alone this dollar is going to be removed. Okay, and next is str.split dollar. So everywhere all the things will be removed. Okay, wherever dollar is appearing, every dollar is going to be removed, and that word no the will be considered as one string and earth will be considered as another string. Everything is displayed as a list. See here, everything is displayed here as a list only. Okay, and even here str.split of E. So where E and all is appearing, only that part will be removed. Okay, so TH will be considered as 1. So if you give dollar, the dollar will be removed. If you give E, that E place will be removed, and TH will be considered as 1. That is in this str, TH will be returned, and then in earth, no, sorry, split of E only given, no, so green, GR is returned, and then NR is returned, and then green revolution, the green revolution, in that wherever E is appearing, that E is going to be removed and the remaining parts alone will get displayed. Okay, and even here also str.split of E comma 2. So TH will be returned here and GR will be returned here, and then so second occurrence alone, that is second place where that E is occurring, in that place alone that E is going to be separated, removed. Okay, so here 0, 1, 2. So second occurrence is removed here. Here also second occurrence is removed here. That is 0, 1, 2. So 2 index which E is available, where the E is available, that E alone removed here. Okay, and in this revolution this will be like a 0, 1. Okay, so first time it is first index it is not occurring. It is mentioning here as 2 only, so that it is not satisfied here, so that it is returning the entire revolution. Okay, so second occurrence where it is occurred here in this green, that the second index place it is occurred, so that this gr alone will be separated as one string, and en revolution will be treated as entirely as another string. Okay, so in the table given above, len of is a built-in function, and so we don't need import any string module. So string module we no need to import. For all the other functions, import string statement is required for their successful execution. So except len function, whatever functions we have studied here till split function, no, we need to import the string statement. So import string statement, we need to use it. Okay, after importing the string module only, we need to call all these functions. Otherwise, this statements no will not get executed properly. It won't give the proper output to us. Okay. Next, last topic what we are going to discuss here is string constants. Okay, so some of the string constants which are defined in the string module. So this also is going to be used in string module only. So you need to import the string, and then you need to call the string module in order to call the constants. Okay, in order to use the string constants. So string dot, okay, after importing the string, you need to use the statement like this: string dot ASCII underscore uppercase. This command will display a string containing uppercase characters. So every uppercase characters, no, from capital A to Z, everything will get displayed. And next, string dot ASCII underscore lowercase. This command will display a string containing all lowercase letters. See here, small a to small z. And then ASCII underscore letters. All the alphabets will get displayed along with uppercase and lowercase. Okay. And digits. Digits will display, string dot digits will display only digits from 0 to 9. Okay, hexadecimal digits will be 0 to 15. So but 9 after we will not write 10, 11, 12 like that. Okay, so instead of 10 we need to write a or small a or capital A, 11 b, 12 c, 13 d, 14 e, 15 f, like that. 15 digits will be displayed by the hexadecimal digits. Okay, so string dot hex digits will display a string containing hexadecimal characters. Okay, next is octal will be 8 numbers only will be there in octal from 0 to 7. 0 to 7 if you consider, totally 8 numbers will be there. Okay, 0 to 9 if you consider, that totally 10 numbers will be there for decimal. Okay, so here octal digits we want to display. The command displays a string containing octal characters, that is 0 to 7. Everything is enclosed. If you see here, everything is displayed like a string only. Within single quotes, everything is displayed. Okay, next is string dot punctuations. String containing all the punctuation characters will be displayed here. So these are the symbols which are available in the keyboard. Everything will get displayed if you give string dot punctuations. Next is string dot white spaces. So white spaces, if you give backslash t, it will be giving 4 spaces, that is tab key. It is working like a tab key. It will be working like backslash n will be working like a new line character, or enter key. It will be working like enter key or return key. So like that, everything, that is form return, line feed, return, form, and then vertical tab, all those things you can give here. It will be displayed if you give a string dot white space. String dot white space means like this, you'll get the output. Next is string dot printable. So whichever are able to print on the screen, okay, everything will get displayed along with numbers, alphabets, capital letters, and then punctuation characters, and then white spaces. Okay, so letters, digits, punctuations, white spaces, everything are printable only. So all those things will get printed here in the string dot printable. So note, import string module to get the desired results with the command mentioned above. So before you use the string dot printable, string dot white space, all those things, no, you need to write one statement, that is import string. Afterwards you can make use of these statements, that is string dot printable, string dot white spaces, all those things. Okay, and this command, how it is given, white space means white space only you need to type. You should not type on your own way like white spaces with some wrong spellings and all. We should not type it. Okay, so with this our lesson is getting over, and the remaining topics, no, it is discussing about some programs related to strings and its operators, that we will see in the next class. Okay, so whatever till now we have learned, we have seen in these videos, everything related to this strings chapter. So go through this topics one more time and be ready for your test. Thank you.